Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be focusing on creating links for your website templates in Canva. Now this is really simple and you can actually choose to have a navigation system that is fully functional so that it looks like you've built your website on any other platform such as like Squarespace or Wix. Now let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is to obviously build out your website. That can be in another video. Once you get to the point where everything's customized and how you would like it, you want to go ahead and name each page individually in your website. So mine is home. For the first page, I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, the first page is always a high-level overview of what your business is about and the services that you offer. Okay, it's very high level and how they can contact you. I've added additional pages within the website, which is going to be linked with the navigation menu. So the second one is services. Portfolio. And you can have as few or as many pages as you like. Okay. Probably gonna make that a capital. Once you've gone ahead and done that, we're going to go ahead and start linking our buttons. So you're going to click on the button, you're going to click on the three dots, and you're going to scroll down until you find the link button. I'm going to click on link, and then all of your document pages are going to appear how you have named them. So obviously for book now, I want to take my clients or customers to the booking form, and then we just push done and the link's been added, and you can go down and do that for each button that you have. Go to the services page. Now I don't like the underline, so I'm going to go back through and just remove that, and the same for this. And we'll do one more. So it's very simple, as you can see, and you can remove and edit the links as you need. By simply clicking back into it. Okay. Now I'm going to go into the preview. Now, as you can see, this is where you make sure that you've got the include navigation menu ticked. If you untick it, it's going to appear as just the home page and no other additional pages that you've created. So make sure that that is selected. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to have a navigation menu. And this is where you can view all of your external pages and check that your links are working. And it's really that simple. Fully functional for your clients, and you can then also go into your resize on mobile, because most people view things on mobiles these days. And that's it. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will go ahead and make more videos like this. Have a good one.